My name is Briscoe. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Cloud Gateway. In this very short video, I'm going to be discussing some of the technologies that I think are going to be going up in 2021 and some of the technologies that I think are going to be going down. Firstly, technologies that are going up, I'm going to see more of, I think, is VDI and desktop as a service. With COVID kicking in, people were using this as business continuity and business continuity as a service where it's enabling any user from any device to connect securely into your environment. I think that's going to change from more of a business continuity to sort of a standard de facto mechanism for people to work and connect in. Some of the other things I'm going to see, I think, are going to be going up in the world is technology vendors actually abstracting some of their intellectual property and making it available in the cloud. We're starting to see this slowly now. So, for example, Fortinet are allowing their IPS and IDS signatures and engines to be abstracted and actually built into some of AWS's native constructs so that you can use those natively within AWS, so you don't have to worry about building your own network virtual appliances and various things like that. Another technology or new architecture that I think is going to be more prevalent in the next sort of few years, but starting next year, is actually using cloud to egress to the internet. Now, what this is meaning is that most people, or some people, are going to have connectivity from their estate to the cloud, and it's easier and more scalable. And as I mentioned about the signatures and security vendors being able to use it natively within the cloud providers, is that people are going to start building their end user compute egress internet services in cloud because it's quicker and easier, and people are now starting to be less worried about the maturity of these products in the cloud. So we're going to see more of that, I predict. Right, some technologies and architectures that I'm going to be seeing going down. The first one is for central government, is their PSN, their public services network. We've been trying to get off that for the last sort of 2-3 years and getting momentum in that. Now there's more vendors like Cloud Gateway that are able to bridge that gap between moving people off PSN to go to internet first and cloud first. I think that we're going to see an acceleration in the availability of technology to enable to do that. Currently, it's quite difficult and it's painstaking. There's a lot of moving parts. Another technology that I'm going to see is going down that, and it's alongside the sort of using the internet as WAN and some of the SD-WAN movements, is the reduction in dedicated circuits. So say, for example, in the traditional old world, we'd be having circuits delivered to site. Now we're going to see more and more using the internet as transit and using secure VPN tunnels across there, or augmenting SD-WAN offerings. So those are my tech predictions for 2021. Come back at the end of 2021 to be proved absolutely wrong and eating humble pie. In the meantime, have a great Christmas, and I'll speak to you soon.